Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your privacy settings on Telegram. So these settings control who can see what about your profile, like your phone number, some pictures, who can add you to group chats, etc. So let's get started. I've got the Telegram application open here, and I'm going to click on this menu bar at the top left. Then here, you're going to see some information about your account, and let's go on over to the settings. So here in settings, you'll notice the privacy and security tab. And here you can see the controls that affect who can see what. Just scroll down a little. So here you can see who can see my phone number, which is my contacts, who can see my online status and when I was last seen, everybody, profile photos, everybody, forwarded messages, calls, voice messages, birthdays, gifts, bio, save music, and invites. So there's a lot of granularity when it comes to controlling who can see what on Telegram, which I really like about the application. So let's go ahead and change this to my contacts. You can also add some exceptions. So you can always be sharing your information with this certain person or never sharing this information with this particular person. So you can also hide your read time, hide the time when you read messages from other people. And if you turn this on, their read time will also be hidden from you unless you are a premium user. So this is a setting that I find people change a lot and care a lot about. So for example, I'll change it so that nobody can see me when I'm online, and I'll click on save. Click on continue, and we can see that it has updated. For the rest, I'm going to keep everything at the default settings. But if you'd like to change something, go ahead and feel free to. So that's how you can change your privacy and security settings on Telegram. I hope I was able to help, and I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. So that's it, and thank you for watching.